Hi, I'm Chef Ash from Mamaka, Bali, Executive Chef of Kuta Social Club and Street 32. Well, I grew up in a suburban city, so a coastal change is really exciting. I guess I've been pretty lucky to work in some of these beautiful venues. Well, I was lucky enough to find a job with some top guys here in Bali, which built me a strong foundation. And then I just fell in love with the place. There's always something exciting happening, and it just led me to where I am now. Well, I guess 14 years is a long time. You're always going to learn and develop wherever you are in the world. I guess I come from a fairly classic background, but Bali taught me how to be more creative and have fun with what you do. It would have to be our tomahawk steak. It's a super fun way of dining. It gets the whole team involved. It's a great way of sharing with your family and friends, and it's also great beef cooked over hot coals.